Oh, hey everybody, Chad and Uncle Steve here, 153 Oren. Brand new listing, great property, great area, north end of Barrie. My wife grew up here, I grew up around here. I love this area.
Well, I'm not sure about the grow up thing, but I will tell you this, guys. This house is absolutely off the charts, cute, adorable, and charming. Now let's get inside and have a real close look. From the moment you come through the front door of this beautiful home here, it just boasts words like adorable, cute, charming. The main floor has a separate dining room, lots of living space, a gorgeous kitchen. It is all decked out in perfect harmony. Speaking of cuteness, look at this little guy over here.
Absolutely love the upstairs. We're in the master bedroom right now. It has a great little nook. Could be a yoga room, could be a nursery, could be an office, whatever you need. Lots of square footage, some great updates from the flooring to the bathroom. I really think you're gonna love the space up here.
Wow, check out this huge oversized backyard here. It pies out to the back. We've got gorgeous sunshine here, mature trees. What else can you ask for, Chadwick?
Well, let me tell you there, Unc, check out the deck. Oversized, it's great. Lots of different uses you can use for this with a great little privacy to the right. For more information on this listing or more like, check out our website.